eji eje mba Igbo mama ekene m unu na na ka unu me ka ekesi anya nwụrụ akụkụ gị daalụkwanụ Igbo niile ọ ga-abụkwa m unu nwaanyị Ngozi Mmadụ onye nta akụkọ gị n'Igbo Amaka TV ndị be anyị asị ka ahịa na-anọ ụbọchị na-anaghị nwere n'ala Igbo ka ọ maala gị mma zụtara gị ihe ọma udo dịla unu na-etufu ya oge ọbụla ka anyị gbapụ ya ọsọ ka anyị kọọ n'ubi onye anyị bịara tata ọchị adịrọkwa m n'iru hapụkwana nna achị ọchị mgbe ka ndịkwa siriọs tata ọchị adịghị m n'iru maka na ife na-eme na be anyị Igbo kwuru okwu si na oke anaghị ele ihe onye mụọ anya mana anyị mụzi anya na-ene anya gbaa na-eche anụ anyị tinyere n'ọkụ nche anyị nọrọ ebe a oke bịa anụ anyị tinyere na ngịga na-echie nche nọrụkwa ebe a na-ene anya bụ ihe fụ ka nya bụ oke batalụ oke bulie anyị ma na-ene gbaa na-eche ihe ọ bụ oke mba ọ bụghị oke ọ dị ka ijiji ka anyị saa nọ anya ihe na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị otogoli aka m chọrọ ime vidiyo anụnwa and let me make this video in English biko unu ewe n'iwe ife njichi ime na English is for everybody to hear my voice maka na ọmali ndị be anyị ọkpọkwa na ha nụrụ anụ Igbo mana Igbo na-adaghị kai na ntị ị na-asụ Igbo dịka na amaghị ụla ana amaghị aka ntị nya bụ ma ị nara asụ sụpịrịsụpịrịsụpịrị they will not pay attention to get the point and they will just move out. When the buy na anu Igbo, when the nanukwana na anu obele. So this video is for all Igbo people. Be you Igbo in diaspora, be you Igbo back home. Igbo no n'ụzọ, Igbo no no. Okwu anu wa metụtala anyị niile. Maka na akpọrọ m ka anyị ga-esi nọlụ mmadụ na-esi mmụọ nọlụ na mmili ncha na-aba anyị anya. Unu mana asị na Igbo amara ọsọ mmili agba. Anyị ga-ekwe ka ihe melu na mbụ ka o mee anyị ọzọ. Asị na nke mbụ bụ mistake nke bụ ma ịmazie nọ nzuzu ịma na-amaghị ihe na asị na onye ndị iro gbalụ ndụ ya gburugburu onye ndị iro gbalụ gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche mgbe ọbụla kedụzi ihe anyị ji nakpo onwele anya na-abụ na-alara ụlọ ife anyị fụgodikwa ife na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị enweli ya na-egwu egwu ihe nchọrọ ikwu maka ya bụ this cankerworm that is eating up our land and we are happy, we are clapping. Anytime we see the news, I've been seeing people's reaction, I've been seeing people's comments, how people react whenever you see the news of unknown government, the activities of unknown government. They are the people I want us to talk, I want to raise our consciousness to, so that we'll begin to ask questions. Who are the unknown government? What are the activities? And these people is there for our own good. We are happy. I see that people are happy. People are reacting, they are kind of happy to the news because they are attacking our, in quotes, our enemies. And that is the police, the security personnel, the police officers. I will agree with us. I understand our anger when it comes to Nigerian police. They say police is your friend, but it's not in Nigeria. In Nigeria, police is actually your enemies. We understand there are a lot of activities, bad activities, criminal activities that they are involved into. Police is a good mad anyhow in Nigeria. They can just waste you like that. And when they tell you, if you don't do this and I will waste you, they will just waste you and nothing will happen. Nothing will happen, and that is it. I understand that they will, they can easily put you in prison, even forget about if you don't have anybody to come for you. They will arrest you without any investigation, put you in jail, no trial, in Ghana for life. There are people in the Nigerian police cell. You will see people that have stayed there for years, 10 years without trial. If you don't have person, you are gone and dead. And that is just Nigerian police for you. So when we hear that unknown government are killing them, we are happy. We are happy because now you can walk from one place to another without any police checkpoint. Nobody is taking your money anymore. Nobody is stopping you to search you. The Yahoo boys, the criminal people, the kidnappers, they cannot move freely. But let us, make crime cardinal Igbo. Kidnappers, ndị be anyị na-eme kidnappers kanya, ndị be anyị na-ezu ori kanya. Now, when you are clapping for unknown government destroying police station, and even though the police are not of any use, kind of to us, But when the unknown government are done with police, it will increase crime. It will increase crime. And at the same time, the unknown government will now enter the part 2 of, will now show the part 2 of who they are. Because they are not what we think they are. I've seen people tag ESN as unknown government. Please, let us take away envy, hatred, whatever it is, anger. It might not be going well with you within Nnamdi Kanu or ESN. It might not be going well with you with other Biafran agitators. But don't think that ESN or anybody from our side is responsible for unknown government. They are not. If you talk about maybe people in the bush chasing, killing Fulani cows and all of that, as we have seen videos, we will say it's ESN. But these ones that are killing police officers, they have even kidnapped students. The same student that they are kidnapping in the north, they have now kidnapped students in Abia State. They are not ESN, and they can't be. Even people have claimed that Nnamdi have claimed responsible for unknown government. I didn't hear when he claimed, but even if he claimed responsible for it or not, I can tell you that Nnamdi is not responsible for it. Unknown government are terrorists in disguise. All the terrorist groups that you are hearing, Fulani Herdsmen, Boko Haram, ISIS, whichever one you know of, they are the terrorists in disguise. I have seen one video somebody shared, I think it's Ijeles Speaks, that shared that video. And sharing that video, he said ESN snatching people's cars, something like that. I will put the video. I will put the video here. Snatching people's car before they can go and bomb, destroy police station. Now, you sit down and you watch the people you call Igbo people, because ESN are Kwandi Igbo now. You see their outfit, you see the way they dress, and you ask yourself, are these Igbo people? Just check this video and ask yourself, are these Igbo people?
Where they are making most of all these people they don't resign. See police down there, they don't resign. Most of them are coming. They don't carry those people car. They carry those people car. They carry their car. They carry their motor.
Are these Igbo people? The way they dress, the way they look, even though the camera is far, but you can see them, you can see the appearance. Are they Igbo people? They are not Igbo people. Now, what is their mission? What is their mission? Please, our people need to wake up. We need to wake up to reality. We need to wake up to reality. When they are done destroying police station, as it is now, police are now employing the service of a local security people like a vigilante group to guide them. That means in few weeks or months to come, you can't go to any police station and you will meet any police officer there. They are even now moving on ordinary wears. They no longer put on their police uniforms. So if anything is happening to you and you want to run to police station for rescue, nobody will rescue you. Please, our people, let us wake up. And it will happen by the time the unknown government will start the part 2 of who they are. We will still be tagging them unknown government. News people like me will still be carrying it unknown government. Whereas these people are terrorists. Let me tell you, the Fulani, they can't just grab us like that because they know who we are. So they will find any means to come in, and they have came in, and they are the ones responsible for all the attacks and killings in the name of unknown government. Go and check out the names of police officers that have been killed by unknown government. Gwamundi Fulani neba, Gwamunda Usa Gwamwendi any name now who neba, Madone Kifo. Whereas in a normal sense, even a Nigerian police as of East, you will see many of their people in there. wake up, my people. Ndị Igbo, wake up. Unknown gunmen, they are not here for our good. They are here to destroy what is left. If you are an Igbo leader, if whoever you are, start speaking. Start doing anything you can do to secure Igbo land. No matter what you say, secure election paper, secure Igbo land. We don't have any other place. We don't have any other place. I don't know if there is any other land we have. Why are we just sitting down for the only place we have to be taken away from us like this? If you are an Igbo leader, whoever you are, please wake up. Igbo traditional rulers, speak up. All the internet is just 1/10 of what is happening in Nigeria on Igbo land. If you say to cover everything that is happening, I am an Igbo anana. Otu anu akita na ha say ndi Fulani na ha akpọ ndi be ha kunie ha nataba. Let them not go and we go back to sleep and think everything is okay. Because no ni na ha na akpọ ha ka ha nata bụ ka ha lata ka ha kwado. By the way, they are calling them to go, whereas they already there as unknown gunmen. So you will hear that Fulani herdsmen are no longer in Igbo land. They have left the south. And you hear the activities of unknown gunmen and you still be wondering, oh, who are they? You will think we are the unknown gunmen and Igbo people, we are now killing ourselves. I know that killing ourselves means nothing to us anymore. But at the same time, this particular group, unknown gunmen, they are not us. They are not us. They are not us. Terrorists have entered our land. Is it not last week or 2 weeks ago that is it US Army or who raised an alarm that is it Al-Qaeda or who have entered southern Nigeria? Can anybody south? Very soon, these unknown government will start kidnapping. They will start kidnapping children. The way they are kidnapping in the north, they are done there. They are moved down to east. From kidnapping, there is no Igbo kidnapper kidnap a school, kidnap a whole bus student in anemia. So don't think that we have reason to eat ourselves up. No. Terrorists have come to destroy us. They have come to destroy whatever that is left of us. And we shouldn't keep quiet to this. We shouldn't be happy about it. We shouldn't be clapping for it. We shouldn't be happy sharing the news. No. You have to condemn it. You have to speak up. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. Don't just sit in your house and say, what can we do? You can actually do something. Speak. Igbo bụ Igbo mụrụ n'anya na ụka nọrọ ele ihe onye mmụọ anya ka ihe le hapụ ime anyị na nke ikpeazụ ka ihe melụ mbụ ka ọ rapụ ime ọzọ ndị be anyị ka ọ dị n'mgbe ọzọ ka emesịa anụ